Hello guys. Owning a restaurant can be a lot of work, but creating a website for your business doesn't have to be. In this video, we will show you how to use Wix.com to create a beautiful and functional website for your restaurant in just few simple steps. After creating your website on Wix.com, you hit here, or you can just here, create, look for create new site. For those who created new account on Wix.com, this page, this what we're going to do now, will be shown for you on the registration restaurant. Click on next. What kind of website are you creating? So here, what's the name of restaurant? Let's choose some mm, 3LELO. So here, what do you want to add to your website? Here we have the chat. It's important. Chat with your new visitors from desktop or mobile. We have the restaurant menu, the food order, the table reservation. You can add Instagram feed so people can see your Instagram, your restaurant's Instagram account, the forum to start discussions and start community, groups, video, and others. So let's keep it simple with only these four. Next, start setting up your restaurant. So start designing your website. Begin with the template. Customize a design-made template or get a custom-built site. Let Wix create a site for you in a minute. So for lazy people, choose this. And Wix.com will take the rest. So we are heading to editor.wix.com. So the Wix editor is a drag and drop website builder, which means you can easily add and arrange elements on your website without adding coding knowledge. To get started, choose a template that best fits your restaurant style. So for us, we choose the simple way. So you just have to add logo, and Wix has a logo designer. So you just put your name, or you can add it from files. Logo wouldn't be a problem now. So you add your email, your address, the address of your restaurant. So let's put a random address for now. So here, the phone number of your restaurant should be a fax number, I think. And you can link it to your social account. Let's see, you can paste your Facebook accounts, Twitter, Instagram, or even TikTok. So click next. You can skip all this part. So pick a theme you like. So we have the grand, the high rise, the lounge, elegant, fresh, and minimal. Minimal or fresh? The grand seems fancy. So I'm going with minimal. Preparing your home page design. We are creating personalized options for you. So this is the easiest way. The other way is creating a template and editing it. You can add your pictures, not your pictures, the pictures of the restaurant and the food you offer, you sell, and arrange it in the website, add payment methods, and we are going to reach that later in the video. So, pick your favorite homepage design. They give you three designs. Here we have simple restaurant, the fancy one, and relax. Now I'm pushing the fancy one. The fancy one, yes. Click on next. So to add to your information, I don't own a restaurant. Shocking, yeah? Next. Let's wait. Here, you can select the next page, add pages to your site. These pages are tailored for you. You can customize them later. So, we have about, career, and the team. Add pictures of your team. Okay, they will like this. Next, edit site. Now we are heading to the editor. So this is how your website will look before editing it. The welcoming page, about, our story, Romeo and authentic restaurant that has been proudly serving the San Francisco area. They located me in a weird place. So the food, random food, you can change it later. We have the contact list, opening hours, and the information. Proudly created with Wix.com. So after editing all this, you can here connect it to a domain. And by clicking on my business, you can link it to your payment account so people can make orders here. Wix restaurant orders. You can create a new page with orders. You can add dishes and show how to accept orders, the payment method. You can manage menus, manage order settings, orders, add member page, add chats, and set chats, block persons, find apps here, booking. You can add booking to your restaurant. And I think that's it for today's video. The rest of the settings are very easy and you can handle it. Just create with on the little crayon. So as I said, Wix.com is a drag and edit. You can just bring the application from here and drag it to the center. You can add sections just by passing the cursor. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial.